This was a private TikTok account, and this is after cracking it. We will go through 4 steps, and after those 4 steps, that private TikTok account will be unlocked for you. The first step is you have to first of all go to the account that you want to view the contents of. For example, this is a private TikTok account that I want to view. So the very first step is you have to remember the username of this TikTok. And the second step is you have to take a screenshot of this account, and 2 steps have been done. Now only 2 more steps are remaining for viewing this account. So for the third step, you have to go back from here, and after that you have to close TikTok and open Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use for the step number 3. And next you have to go to Google and type in here TikTok Help Center and hit the search button. Now the very first link which appears up, you have to tap on that, and after that you have to write in the search bar of TikTok hacked and hit the search button. Whether you are on iPhone or Android, it works the same on both devices. After that you have to scroll down, and here you get an option report a problem. So click on it, and next you have to tap on this little icon here at the top right corner of this page. Now this is the most mandatory step here. You have to follow exactly the same thing I'm doing. You have to tap here, tell us your feedback, and here you have to write exactly the same thing I'm writing. You have to write, hi TikTok team, I have been using your application since 4 years. You can write your duration you have been using TikTok. I wanted to view the videos posted on a private TikTok account who is my friend in real life, but on TikTok he has set the privacy on his account. Means his TikTok account is private. I urge to see my friend's videos. Please let me get into his account contents. And next you have to leave a blank line, and here you have to paste the username of that private account you want to view. That is the reason I had asked you to remember this username. And next you have to tap on this gallery icon and upload the screenshot that we had taken, and after that press this add button. Now press this submit button and you are done with step number 3. Now let's move to the final step, which is you have to open TikTok after submitting the request and go to the account of that person again. And next you have to press this follow button. Before the TikTok team replies to you, you will see this account even before the TikTok team opens this account for you. This step is just for viewing this account early. This prank was just to educate you that there is no way to breach someone's privacy on TikTok, and it's absolutely illegal and discouraged. So share this prank with your friends and see if they fall for it.